guys, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I am talking about the money management and how to treat with money management. Okay, many people have um, uh, trading winning percentage is 50%, but they cannot earn. Why? Because they are not using the money management plan. Okay, you have to plan your money management. You first you money management uh, practice on your demo account first. Okay, then you try to uh, in the live account. Many people have questions. They are winning in demo, but they are not winning in the they are every time lost their money on the when they come on the live account. Is this a reason? Because the psychologically issue in the live account, because they have there are a fear to lose their money, because the in the demo they did not lose their money, so they trade and earn and win. But in this when they come in the live, they are losing because of they are fearing and facing they are, because the fear they not good and analysis the chart and analysis they are failing. Okay, and also my advice to all those going to the over trading, so don't go to the over trade. You need to set your goal plan, and I give you the some today example of the money management also, and how to uh, uh, take your money with profit. Even $1, even you got a profit in $1, then you close your trade for the day and take out your money. Then you grow up your small account to okay. So today there is the my balance is 0, so I am depositing. Okay, and then continue for you. You can use you want, but I am using the advanced cash, because the advanced cash is the fast. So I am deposit from the advanced cash, and I'm back. So I deposit 20 USD for a small uh, account for the trade. Okay, grow uh, your small account. Okay, with the money management plan. So I have 20 USD, so I trade 2 USD. Okay, if I lose, so I will double it. Okay, so first we are analyzing the market, and I come down for the trades. Okay, now I am analyzing. I won here and I recover my previous loss and I earn $1 more. Okay. Today is a very difficult market because today is a Friday. As usual, Friday and Monday it's a very difficult to trade. So I think today is not taking the too much risk. Okay, so I lost and second one I won and recover my loss, previous loss, and the next one is winning. So I don't want to go for uh, risk and loss, so I in my profit, so I take to the withdrawal. Okay, with $1. Okay. Okay, I withdraw my money with uh, $1 profit. Okay, with profit you have to manage your daily trades. Okay, anyone many people asking me to see there is very difficult to trade, so that's why today is Monday. Oh, sorry, today is a Friday, so I don't